Meaning of insulation.
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 Insulation. Insulation refers to the material or substance that is used to prevent the passage of heat, electricity, or sound from one surface to another. In other words, it's a protective layer that helps maintain a consistent temperature or prevent energy loss. Insulation is commonly used in buildings, homes, and electrical appliances to improve energy efficiency and reduce costs related to heating, cooling, and electricity consumption. There are different types of insulation materials such as fiberglass, foam, cellulose, and mineral wool, each with different properties and uses.